Hi, everybody. I'm meteorologist John Carroll with your forecast. And on Thursday, it was a pretty active day as far as the weather was concerned. We saw some showers and thunderstorms kind of firing up around 2 o'clock in the afternoon around the Maryville area. And we got a Local 8 weather vol, Jeff Weaver, to send in this shot of the thunderclouds as they were brewing in that region. This activity continued to move on through as we did get to the afternoon and evening hours. Cherokee Lake photo from Donnie Davis, another one of our Local 8 weather vols, sent this shot, and this is an interesting shot with a little angry sky, and actually looks kind of tranquil down there along the surface, but it was fairly active as we went through the afternoon and evening. We're going to probably do it all over again tomorrow as well, because this wet pattern has kind of established itself. Now tomorrow, all the positive thing about tomorrow will be pollen down in the low zone, but we'll get back to moderate on Saturday and again on Sunday. High temperature on your Thursday was 85, but that occurred at about noon. And then these rain showers and thunderstorms moved in around 2:30 and extended through to the evening. And we cooled down into the 60s and 70s. 81 is normal. The record 95 set back in 1941. So these showers and storms were here today. They'll be here once again tomorrow as moisture migrates up from the south. Now, heavy rain may cause some localized flooding not only tonight but again tomorrow. But the good news is we're drying out just a little bit over the weekend. Doesn't mean we're going to be rain-free over the weekend, but it does mean that we are going to be a lot less active than we've been not only today but again tomorrow. So here is the futurecast for 9 o'clock on Thursday. And you can see in the extreme northeastern portion of our state, there is a lot of shower activity still lingering around. But then as we get into 1 o'clock in the morning on Friday, things kind of settle down a little bit. There's some showers moving on through portions of the Smokies. But then as we get into the Friday morning time frame, we're looking at probably some patchy fog throughout the area. And then it all starts again as we start to see the moisture be in place, get all churned up by the heat of the afternoon. And we're going to see another opportunity for some scattered showers to rumble through the region as we go through time. And that should continue all the way through until the sun sets on Friday at 8 o'clock, 8:45 or so. And then we might even see some showers lingering after that. So it does appear we are in a wet pattern until at least Saturday morning. So the forecast for the overnight hours Thursday into Friday, 64 for the overnight low with some patchy fog, isolated storms still lingering around. 88 will be the high temperature on Friday. And here's the forecast for you if you're on the plateau tomorrow. 86 La Follette, 83 Jamestown, Clark Range 84, Rockwood 85, winds out of the southwest at about 5 to 10. Southeastern Kentucky, a good chance for showers once again, and we'll see winds kind of variable at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. 84 Williamsburg, 85 in London. In the Smokies and the foothills thereof, we're looking at temperatures varying from 82 in Gatlinburg to 87 in Maryville. And again, when these showers come in, that'll cool us down quickly. So, again, these are grain of salt high temperatures with 50% chance of scattered storms tomorrow. And then, again, grain of salt high temperatures as well. If Athens doesn't get any rain, they may get up to 91. If they do, they'll probably only get up into the mid to low 80s. Oak Ridge 89, Knoxville 88, same scenario. If we get rain, that high temperature will not get reached. 72 at 8 a.m. and 88 is the forecast high at 5. 87 on Saturday with about a 30% chance, and then even less chance on Sunday with some isolated storms moving on through. And then as we get into your work week, your following work week, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s throughout that forecast period.